Chainlink is currently in this interesting structure, but will we now see rising prices or a retracement to the downside? In this video, I will talk about Chainlinks and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. You'll find daily analyses of Bitcoin, Chainlink, and all other cryptocurrencies there. First link in the description. Chainlink is currently ranked 15th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $9.3 billion. Coin has existed since 2017, and we reached the last all-time high in 2021. And after this longer bearish trend, we saw an accumulation phase, and after testing this last demand zone here, which led to that bullish push back then, we then also saw a bullish reaction. Have broken through this last supply zone here, and that was the first real red flag for Chainlink. On the daily time frame, we are still in a bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs. And finally, after forming this last high, we saw another retracement in this diamond zone here, which we tested here, and after another short consolidation, we got the bullish breakout. And this last high here was surpassed with a break of structure. That means we clearly saw bullish interest from Chainlink again. And if we now manage to see bullish price action again and surpass this last high here, then the chance is extremely high that we can continue the bullish trend. And if we also get into this last supply zone and break it to the upside, then the chance is extremely high that we will see a real explosion for Chainlink. And these highs marked in purple are the next interesting price areas if we, as mentioned, show this bullish interest and a bullish structure. Further integrate with Chainlink. Each of these points has a lot of liquidity, and the chance that we will see a pullback from these zones is also very high. And the best coins in the bull run also go above the last all-time high. And I think the chance is high that Chainlink also gets new all-time highs for this bull run. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, we will also get these next interesting price areas. When we look at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, we have a price target of $83, which I find very realistic for this bull run. And the even more bullish scenario would be Chainlink reaching $131. But just from the current prices at this price point of $83, we would have a potential of over 430%. And as I said, I think it is a realistic price target for Chainlink, and we would still have extremely high potential for having a coin that is in the top 15 of all cryptocurrencies. So in the long term, I am very bullish on Chainlink, and also in the short term, as I said, I think the chances are high that we will see higher prices. On one hand, we are still in a bullish structure on the daily time frames. Additionally, we are currently at this Fibonacci retracement level here on the larger time frame, and also for this swing, we will use the Fibonacci retracement tool. We can also see that we also tested the 0.618 level here, and that of course again increases the chance that we will see bullish prices here and the trend reversal to the upside. Only if we see bearish price action here and break below these recent lows. Then I think there is a high chance that we will see further falling prices. As long as we don't have any real body close acceptance below these lows, the chance is high that we will see bullish price action and move to the upside. And if you don't want to miss any trade signals, join my exclusive signal group. There you will find real-time trading signals and also my crypto spot buys. Second link in the description. Overall, I find that Chainlink is a very good project and we have a very high long-term potential. And I think the chance is extremely high right now that we will see rising prices, especially if we surpass these recent highs. The chance is high that we will indeed see bullish prices and an explosion for Chainlink. Hey folks, thanks for watching. I wish you all the best in trading and see you in the next video.